This is a very simple, quick meal, but trust me, it is absolutely healthy and delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. And trust me, you will love it here. So please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. We are having some boiled plantains and then some simple pepper sauce which you will fall in love with. Let's start with it. So I have with me here my plantains. Okay, that is green plantains. Plantains are different from bananas, okay, because I know very well that there are some people who they don't know plantains. Yes, some of the countries they know nothing about plantains. Yes, body they are missing a lot. But they are used to bananas, or they know bananas. Okay, so plantains are not the same as bananas. For it to be very easy to peel, you just have to put them in the water, and then as you can see, it is very easy to do so. Okay, yes, thank you so much for watching me till this point. I am so grateful. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful for that. So I will just go ahead and scrape it just like how you're seeing on the screen. When you go to Ghana, when we are preparing and busy, this is how we peel the plantains, and then, or let me say, this is how we prep it. Okay, yes, now go ahead and then divide it. You can as well divide this into 4, 5, 6, anyhow you want it. Okay, but this is what we are going for. So I am done with everything now, and that is what we have there. Preparing and pesi without eggs does not mean that I'm a Ghanaian. Okay, so for you to know that I am a typical Ghanaian, I have added eggs. I'm saying it so that you won't even say it and come after us. Yes, we like eggs. It's just by the way. And I added some water to it. I'll go ahead and add some salt, and then we are good to go. So if you don't like salt, you can have your plantains just like that without the salt. Okay, but we are going to add that to it. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do not forget to follow us, cover it, and now our plantains are ready. They look so good and delicious already. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, when the plantains are ready or well cooked, we just put them in the cold water. Okay, not everyone, yes, not everyone, but this is very common when you go to the central part of Ghana, and I mean very common within the accounts. Okay, yes, so you put it in the cold water and it makes it very nice. I actually don't know how to describe it to you. Okay, I don't want to say it is some wavy and then I'll be using like a song. Okay, it will be like erect be. Please, it's not erect, but if you know the English name for that, just leave it in the comment section. Okay, it becomes some wavy. Okay, like, should I say stretchy or chewy? I don't know. I'm using wrong words. So if you know, let me know in the comment section. Now I grinded my pepper, onion, and then I added some salt to it. I'll go ahead and then add my tomatoes. You can as well roast the tomatoes, okay? But I decided to grind it just like that without roasting it, but you can roast it. Okay, so we are going to grind it very well till it becomes smooth or any texture of your choice before we proceed. Thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful. Yes, so please, if you've not liked the video, can you like it for me, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section. Now we are done grinding everything, and as you can see, we used proper tomatoes. Okay, as I talk to you right now, I have my oil and then the onions. Okay, I placed oil on fire, added some chopped onions to it. It is on fire. waiting for the onions to fry very well before we add it to our sauce. What I just added is my peanut butter or granite paste. Okay, you can omit that if you don't want it. Add enough salt and then grind this very well till you get to the consistency that you want. If you add the peanut butter or the granite paste when it is well grinded, this is how it will look. It will not be very reddish again, okay, like how the tomatoes was looking very fresh. It won't look like that again. I tasted for salt and I realized that the salt wasn't enough, so I decided to add more salt to it and then continue with the grinding. Now we are done grinding everything, and this is what we got. Our plantains are also ready, so I changed the water. Okay, when it becomes hot, you can just go ahead and then pour it out and then add some cold water to it and you are good to go. Now the things we were frying on fire, they are also ready. As you can see, I added some mushrooms to it and I've poured them on the sauce we grinded, okay, or the ingredients we grinded. I will just go ahead, give it a stir, make sure the oil does not hold at one place, okay. And trust me, this is very simple, but it is absolutely delicious. So with my onions and then the mushrooms, I seasoned it very well, okay, with my mushroom seasoning and then a little of my fish seasoning. So you can go ahead and do so. Now we are done with everything and I added all my ingredients and just look at that, absolutely delicious. I really enjoy this. I added some cooked salted tilapia to it. I fried some fish, which I have the recipe on the channel, please check it out, and this was absolutely delicious. I did not forget my pear or avocado, okay. So with the same sauce you can have it with your fancy kenke, and oh my goodness, it was nice. It was very, very, very nice, okay. Yes, we are used to the one that we do not add any oil, but trust me, it was good. You can as well have it with your banku, and it was absolutely mafwari. Yes, so just try it and you will love it. You can have it with your gakenke as well, and it is heavenly. It was so nice. Thank you so much for watching till this point. So I come your way next time. Please do not forget to take good care of yourself. Bye bye.